Hi, my name's Tyler. I am a building engineer here at National Instruments, and I took the HVAC class at Skillpoint.
And I'm James Baker, and I'm also a building engineer here at National Instruments. So me and Tyler were in the same class of 2015 with Mr. Jeff Jackson. We had a great time there, down to a lot of trouble. I was doing a lot of things at the time before I heard about Skillpoint Alliance, and I passed on it several times, and then one day I finally said, you know, I'm going to give it a shot, and I signed up. I've enjoyed it ever since.
After I graduated, I had a few offers. I passed on a couple. I actually passed on this one first. I saw James got me here the first time, so I went a different route. But then, I decided to use my education that I used at Skillpoint and get back into this program. Well, I mean, working here at National Instruments, being around with all the different engineers and all that, made me want to further my education into that kind of program. And then also having an HVAC license, just having that as a side job if the engineering thing doesn't go through and all that. So I feel like they prepare me well to do commercial and all that.
A few of the people that I've sent that way already have called me and told me it was a blessing. For me, it's been a blessing. For him, I know it's been a blessing. They prepare you. I would tell them that you're going to be prepared. You don't know how to do an interview, or you're going to have resumes ready. You're going to know who to look for, and you're going to know what you're doing, and you're going to learn on top of it. So there's no reason to pass on it if you're thinking about it. Yeah, I'm happy.
I also want to say thank you for showing me the ropes through Skillpoint and getting me this opportunity and all that. I also want to say congratulations to Mr. Jackson for celebrating his 3rd year at Skillpoint. So
Exactly.